Letter Y.
This one? J.
No, that's J.
Oh, J. How do you get off?
Right here. Press this button right here. That one right there.
Oh, here?
No, the yellow one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Press it. Okay. Now find the letter J. I mean, I'm sorry, Y.
What's she doing now? She was running around, but now she's
Y.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Very good.
Why? What?
J. Okay. What's the sound?
Yawn.
J.
J.
What's the sound?
J.
Can you find it in there? Your Y? Awesome. And what's the sound?
Yeah.
J. Okay. Alright, go ahead and continue studying.
Yeah. Yawn. Just like what you
Read it. Read the word. No.
Yawn.
John. Very good.
Yeah.
J.
Yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Yellow yo-yo.
Okay. Can you spell Jojo right here? Can you spell Jojo? Put the K back. What's the sound?
Jojo.
No, the letter you just put back. What is the sound? K. Okay, put it back. Put back the I. Very good. What's the sound of the next one? All right, put it back. Awesome.
Where does it belong?
Well, the K doesn't go there, right? It goes over here.
Oh, so that's right.
Okay. Awesome. So let's write Jojo.
Jo.
Okay, you already had the right?
Jo. Oh.
Where's the O? Uh-huh. Does it go there? Very good. Okay, that's close enough. That's close enough. Oh, Jojo. Okay?
Jo. Oh, yo. Jo.
It's like there, okay? Go ahead and continue.
Yes.
Yeah.
The Awesome. All right.
And it's Steve Snowden again, and that's how I tell you about look.